start the ball game. First possession of the sheet red. Bob. First turnover of the game by Bob. JP. Taps up by Parks. Complete through by Parks. Bob looking for a teammate passing through. True for 3, no good. Redwell rebounds it. Pass to JP. JP for 3 against 3. JP back to Redwell. Wins it up for 2. First score, first basket of the game by Redwell. Assist from JP.
Bel, ikaw ano Bel? Coronel City.
2-0 is the score. Bert, cross-court pass to Bob. Defended by JP.
Tauhin na.
Trey. Bert, what a pass through. Parks raise it up there. Misses it. Rebound again by Redwell. Taylor takes a 3. Pass it back to JP. JP lays it up for 2. Yes. 4-0 is the score. Mission clear by
Bel.
2 points by JP. Jay with a turnaround jumper for 2.
That's good.
Assist from Trey Horby. Score is 4-2. Hill, pass it to Abel. Abel using the gas, no good. Rebounded by Jay.
Balik na.
Trey, waiting for his teammates, passing to Bob. Bob drives, but prevented by Hill. Trey back to Jay to Trey for 3. No good. Rebounded by Bert. No good. He got fouled by number 0, Vince. 2 shots. First personal on Vince. First team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Bert. First basket is a miss. Second basket by Bert is good. Score is 4.
5 minutes pa yan. Hinihingal na kayo.
By 1. Abel. Pass it back to JP. JP defended by Bob. Drives to the basket. Lost the ball, but recovered by Abel. Yale using the floater.
Balik na!
The rebound, but stolen by Trey.
Hands up!
Yes. Steal by Vince. 3 on 2 to Vince. Oh, what a block by Bert. Steal by Bert. Bob for 3. Another rebound by Redwell. Long pass to JP to Hill, open for 3. No. Parks controls the board.
Balik na!
Ay. Good shot. Oh, blocked by Redwell.
Baba.
Wala, no? Di pa pinag-trigger. JP, Vince, all around for 3. No. Trey with the rebound. Score still remains at 4-3. With 6 minutes remaining, Bob, long shot, no good. Again, rebounds it. Almost a steal by Parks. Again, controls it. Redwell lost it. Steal by Trey. A lot of turnovers for this game. Nice pass by Trey to Jay for 2. Score is 5-4. 1 point lead by on the Shield. JP for 3, no. Jay rebounds it. Trey slows it down, waiting for everybody to go down. Trey to Jay.
Hands up!
Jay, pass it back to Trey for 3, no. Bert with a rebound, power rebound, fires it up for 2.
Sub!
Substitution, 5 minutes. Score is 7 for 3-point lead by Omnishield. Psycho Troy, let's go. JP as to WJ open for 3, nope. Jason with the rebound, but stolen by Cesar. Cesar with the steal. JP jumper, nope. WJ rebound, follows it up for 2, yes. Rebound and 2 points for WJ. 7-6 is the score. Still a 1-point lead by Omnishield. Julie to Jay, to Bob. Back to Jay. Steal by Renwell. Tap by Renwell. Cesar, an assist by JP. 2 points for Cesar Chan. Traveling violation on Bob. Time remaining, 3:55 in the first quarter. The score is 8-7. Mission Care leading by 1 point. JP to Trevor. He didn't expect that pass. JP, traveling violation. Back-to-back traveling by both teams. Trey using the glass again for 2. Another assist for Trey. 2 points by Jay. Jay Blue. 3 minutes 15. Score is 8-7. Mission Care. Oh, 9-7. 9-8, sorry. Is that a 3? 2 points by Dennis. And 9 is the score. Mission Care by Uno. Jameson. Bob. Whoa, that pass from Julie. Got 3, but layup was short. Blue ball, according to referee Percy. JP open for 3. Nope. Renwell, long rebound. To JP again for 3.
Nice
There
shot.
we go, finally. First 3 of the ball game by JP. 13-9, 4-point lead by Mission Care. Julie to Bob. Bob for 3. He almost got in, but rebound by Renwell. Julie got fouled by Julie. That's Julie's first personal. First team foul on Omnishield. Time remaining 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the first quarter. WJ. Dennis. WJ for 3. Nope. Jay controls the board. Passes it to Bob. Nice pass. Oh, the layup was short. Another rebound by Redwell. WJ. Pass to JP, almost lost the ball, but recovered. Cesar looking for WJ. WJ inside. Cesar for 3. Nope. Trey with the rebound. Trey gets the rebound. Trey pass to J, I should say. 2 points. Assist by Trey. 2 points by J. 13-11, 2-point lead. Dennis starts Terminator for 2. Assist from JP. 15-11, 4-point lead. Time remaining 50 seconds. 50 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Trey, guarded by Cesar. Pass to Jason. To Jay jumper. Good. Julie controls the board. He lost it. Julie recovers the steal. Oh, strong pass. Oh, it's a turnover by Blue. It's 2 against 1, but they wasted that opportunity. 20 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Jay with a jumper. Nope. Score is 15-11. Mission Clear with 4.3. Ball goes to Blue. Come on, make the substitution. Let's go, let's go. This is the start of the second quarter. First game, Mission Clear is on the shield. Let's play. Alam mo na, Liz. Vince. He got fouled. Fouled by number 68, Pards. First person out on Pards. First team foul on the shield. Abel to Renwell. Renwell almost lost it, but recovered. Drives to the basket. Layup. No good. Ball goes to Red. Red ball. Next possession is Red. Trey open for three. WJ. Red jumper. Good for two. Red gets the rebound. WJ did not get the control of the board. 15-30. 2.2. Another Triano violation. Tawag ng referee, Percy. Pinag-aralan niya yung mga traveling niya. Pards open! Oh, sayang. Rebel, another rebound. He's a rebound king for first half. WJ. Swish for three. Assist from Hill. Assist from Hill, 3 points by Jay. 13-18, Mission Clear by 5. Jason to Trey, back to Jason. Oh, yes! Sayang. Rebound naman ni Redwell. Ang tabi ng rebound ni Redwell. WJ. Pass to Redwell. Well, nice pass by WJ. To Redwell. Sangat ng basket din. Yeah. Score is 20-13, 7-point lead by Mission Clear. Trey for three. Strong. WJ rebounds it. Hill to WJ. To Vince. Back to Hill for three. Nope, strong. Jill controls the board. 3-on-2. Pass to Jason. Jason, three. Nope. Nice spin, but too strong. Rebounded by Burt. Another three. I don't like you. 20-15. WJ for three, nope. Oh, almost. Oh, a rebound. Loose ball foul on Vince. That's Vince's second personal. First team foul on Mission Clear. Second personal on Vince. Trey, another three. Yes, this time. We makes the three. 20-18, down to 2.3 with 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter. WJ to Vince. Vince for three. He gets that shot. Here for three. Time out on the shield. Oh, so here. Yeah. The score is 23-18, 5-point lead. Timeout. This is the first timeout by Omni Shield. Omni Shield. First timeout by Omni Shield. Time remaining 5:42. I guess the next dead ball will be a substitution. Let's go, let's play.
Sakit ng tuhod ko.
Ay, pwede na mag-sub, no? Pwede na, sub na. Yeah, sub na. Umupo na si WJ, mag-sub na tayo. Alam na this. Time out naman, okay lang. Let's go! Back to the ball game. 23-18, 5-point lead by Mission Care. 5 minutes 30 remaining. Steal by Redwell. Redwell coast to coast. Strong. Ball remains with Blue. Mission Care.
Labas yung bola, labas!
Hill. Cesar open for three. Nope. Jay controls it. Almost a steal. Julie traveling again.
Hindi, dami lang traveling.
Here, JP to Vince, back to JP drives to the basket, passes to Cesar, no. Jason controls the board, bounce pass the ball, fakes it, he got fouled by Cesar. That's Cesar's first personal. Second team foul on Mission Care, 2 shots for BOB, Bob. First basket is good. First free throw, counted. Score 23-19. Second free throw, also good. 23-20, down to a 3-point lead with 3 minutes 49 remaining in the first half. Cesar pass to JP, to Hill, to Redwell, to JP, out to Cesar. Demo got fouled by Julie. That's Julie's second personal foul. Second team foul on Omni Shield, 2 shots for Redwell.
Relax na!
Miss on the first shot. Hindi man tumama ata. Good. Wingless. Second basket is good. 24-20. 4-point lead. Trey. Pass for 3. Jay rebounds it. Follows it up. He got fouled by number 21, Dennis. Dennis first foul. First personal foul, 13th foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Jay Perum. First basket is good. 21-24. Second basket, good. Just a 2-point lead, 24-22. Mission Care leading by 2. JP to Hill. Looking for a teammate. So scored pass to Cesar.
Kabila!
Here. Cesar for three. Rebound by Cesar. Assist from Hill. 5-point lead. Back to 5-point lead. Jay powers. Power shot at Hill. Hill three. Assist from JB. Lead balloons to 8 with a back-to-back threes. Foul on Cesar. That's Cesar's. Is that Cesar?
Hey! Guys! Stop fouling!
Second personal on Cesar. 14 foul on Mission Care. One more, there's the penalty. Jay. Nope. Strong. Well. Plus one rebound. Habang sa rebound. Nice pass to Will. Blocked by Jay. 25 seconds remaining in the first half. 20 seconds.
Short!
Julie for three. Assist from Ray. 10 seconds remaining. Time out. Boom. Mission Care.
Last half here.
Score is 30-25. Mission Care by 5. 6.5 seconds remaining. I guess this will be the last shot. There we go, back in the ball game. Ready? Asham? Ready? Jimmy. Oh, steal! 1.8 seconds remaining. 3.8 seconds.
I saw you.
Last shot. Tayo. Let's go, let's play. Time ready.
Go!
Hindi yan tinawag eh. Hindi ako, yung referee. Wala na ba? Oo, buti na lang. Double pressure.
Sino maglaro? Kita. Ako muna.
Next possession is blue. Hey, ready, guys. Ready. Three, Bob. Guarded by Vince, the Prince. Good defense so far by Blue. Bob again. Pressured by Vince. Wala pa. Oh, foul by what's it called? It's a traveling correction. It's a traveling violation. Good defense by Mission Care. JP for three. 33-25. 8-point lead. Mission Care. First personal on Redwood. First team foul on Mission Care. Bert. Nice move!
Let's go!
Two points by Bert, one move by Bert. WJ. Oh, Bob rebounds. Pass to Trey decides to travel. Sabi nyo kay Kirk. Travel again. Oh, steal by WJ. Cross-court, no pass to Vince. Vince slides, but he got fouled by Travis. Oh, he got fouled. They were discussing. Yeah.
Go, Trey! Go, Trey!
Battling. Nawala yung battling. Oh, it's Trey. Come on. Trey, sarap tumangkin. KD has to. He got fouled by Jay Barum. That's Jay's first personal. Is that 2 shots or 3? 3 shots for Vince the Prince. Awa shot. First basket, good. 23rd. Second basket is a miss. Oh, one more late violation. Too soon. Sabi nga nila. Third basket. Foul on number 47, Trey. That's a foul on Trey. 2 baskets for WJ. Bonus shot for WJ. First personal on Trey. Bonus shot for WJ is good. 37-27, balloon to a 10-point lead. Bob to Trey. Floater using the glass is good. 37-29, 8-point lead with 4 minutes 10 seconds remaining. WJ for 3. Nope. Bob, long rebound. Pass through. Trey. J against J. Foul on WJ. First personal on WJ. Second team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots for Jay. Shake ka muna, mamaya kang kumain. Mga technical ganyan. First basket. Second basket is good too. 37-31. Thank you. WJ against Jay. Jay Group. Last touch. Good defense by Jimmy. Bill versus Bob. Bill moves it out. Cesar. To Renwell. To WJ underneath the basket. By Jay. Bumawi sa kabila. Second personal on WJ. Out, second team now. Yeah, second personal on Jay. Yeah, second personal on Jay. First shot on WJ. 40-31, 9-point lead.
Gil, come on, Gil, we're demanding, Gil.
Nope. Jason lays it out, follows it up. Rebound and 2 points for Jason. 40-33. 1 minute 55 remaining. Power move. No good. Rebound by Renwell. Follow up with a foul from 95. Jimmy. Third personal foul on Jimmy, number 3. 13 foul. 2 shots for Bubu. First free throw is good for Bubu. Second basket for Bubu is good. Pass to Bob open for 3. WJ controls the board. Wow, what a pass by Will. For 2, Renwell. Steal by Dennis. Backing violation. Sayang. Huli-huli niya rin. Rebound again by Renwell. Renwell magtinaka para bukas. 7 seconds remaining. 2 seconds. Naghanap ka pa eh. Next possession is blue ball. Fourth quarter. Possession now is blue. Next possession is red. Rebound by Parks. James Nolan, no good. We have the shot clock, okay? Jail, no good. JB. for his teammate.
Come on, James.
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Yes! Mission cleared. 3 points. 47-33. 5-second violation. Muntik na, $500 yan.
Sorry. It's okay.
Buti na sana.
47-33.
Yun, nice. Hindi siya kung hindi ko nasalo eh.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Okay lang, mababa lang magsak.
Yeah, that's good.
Hindi ako mag-center, Jay. Ako mag-center.
Jay,
Pasok na, pasok na.
offensive foul on Let's go. 49-33. Jason goes for close for two.
Nice, Dixon. Kaya pa yan. Lapit,
14-point lead. JP. No. Line ball remains with blue.
Get your man! Gusto ko yung babae magtawag.
WJ lays it up.
Parang lasing eh. Ito. Gusto ko yung babae.
Trey for the three on net. He said two. That's three, according to the ref. I'm just following his orders. Three, yeah. 3 points by Trey. WJ still by Jason. Reset for yourself. Oh, rebound by Parks. No good. Last touch red. Ball goes to blue. I'm out. On the shield.
Yung ilalim mo dun pala.
Pahinga muna ako. Last na ako.
Last na eh.
No. Ada, agad. Wala. Meron pa? Global.
Back to the ball game. Bell, JP. 15-second shot clock. Reset. Trey with the rebound. He got fouled by number 34, Hill.
Wala! Go!
Foul on Hill. Jun Lee. Wow, what a move by Jun for two. Umigin sa ere. 51-40, 11-point lead.
Dixon!
Hill.
Dixon, lalo eh.
12-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Almost. He got fouled by number 11. Jinxon. Pangilan ni Jinxon. Second personal on Jinxon. First team foul on Omnishield. 2 shots for Vince. First shot, miss. Substitution.
Pahinga muna. Tagal makapag-warm up ng tuhod ko. Last quarter naman yan, Bill?
Second basket for Greece is good. Bob for three. Short. Jigson takes it. Open for three. Strong, no good.
Come on! Get back!
Basket. Palong by Jay. Score is 52-42. Sampo na lang po ang kalamangan ng Mission Care. 10 seconds, shot clock. Sorry, I missed it. Foul on number 47, that's Trey.
Second shot, sub! Ano ba kayo? Nagsasub kayo ng... That's okay, bro. This guys, we get penalized with that. Don't worry about it.
Red, who's
Ayaw
foul
na
is
ulap
it?
din eh.
Red, who's foul? Red 47. Okay, first basket miss. Counted. Second basket also counts. 54-42. Foul on number 30, JP's.
Last na ba rin? Last na to.
First personal on JP.
Rebound!
First basket is good. Second basket miss. Rebound by second. Fifteen second shot clock. Steal by Bob. 2 points for Bob. My point lead. Foul on time out. Mission Care with 12 minutes 70 remaining in the ball game. Shampoo ang kalamangan ng Mission Care, 54-45. Two fouls pa lang kayo. 2 team fouls pa lang. Each. 2 more fouls to give for each. 1 timeout remaining for each team. Tabi. Let's play. Ay, clock. Yeah, drinks on for three. 54-48. 15-second shot clock.
Tulong! Ay, Pacho!
10 seconds.
Mabilis!
Yeah, what a shot by him.
Go!
That's bailout shot. Kung sakali, Jay. 2 points for Jay. 56-50. Anim pa rin. Foul on Jumbo. That's Jumbo's 4th. Pangilan ng Jumbo yan. 4th personal, 13 foul on the shoot. 1 minute 30 remaining. Hey, Lumbre! He got fouled by number 47. Trey. Stop the clock. Anong foul? Second personal on Trey. 14th foul on the shield. Next foul by on the shield is a one-on-one free throw. Suerte, bounce. First basket ni WJ, Awa. Oh, pinakabukas na. Second basket is good. 50-50. 5 for 3. Nope. James all alone is WJ. Muntik pang tawagan ng tragedy. 60-50. 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining. Jigsaw, no 3, no good. Rebound again by Redwall. Three by assist by WJ to Redwall for 2. 45 seconds remaining. Jay, foul. Oh, not as one. Pag tinakayin bukas, Brad. First basket by Jay is good. 62-51. Rebound by Jay. Follow up two. It's like a 3-point play. 62-53. 30 seconds remaining. Foul on Bob.
And one. What?
1-on-1. If it's not an act of shooting, it's 1-on-1. Yeah. If it's not an act of dodge, 1-on-1. Good. Rebound na naman. Second wheel. Follow up. Foul. 47 na naman. Is third personal. 30 foul. 16 foul. 2 shots for Redwall. Third foul pa lang. Good. Ubus na. Hindi tayo bukas nito. Yeah, Jay rebound. Cross-court pass. Long pass to Julie. Assist from Jason.
No!
10 seconds remaining. Oh, that's it. They got it. The final score is 62-55. 7 points. Advantage by Bishop Chair. Our best player of the ball game is